Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, coming from our newest location at 1443 Banks Road. And what do we have today? Well, we have a GMC Cayon AT4 with the Bak Revolver X4TS. That's right, the T-slots. Before we get going, if you have questions, that's our telephone number right there. Also, I'll put their address, telephone number, and a link to this product at the bottom of this YouTube video. This way, if you want to check out pricing. By the way, if you have questions, you also can ask me online. I've been finding more time to get to it. Now, if you're looking to get a question answered right away, best thing is to call. But if not, check this out. Okay, come on over here. By the way, our general manager, is behind the camera. And as we're walking over here to look at this, take the time, hit the like button, get it out of the way, subscribe to the channel, do all that stuff, because you know you want to see all this stuff all the time. If you own a truck, this is a great channel. Now, this is the Bak Revolver X4TS. Now, the TS stands for the T slot over here. And now this is a rolling cover. Now, when you get the T slot, if you look behind me, you see my white truck there. All those racks you can put on here. Now, the lower rack I don't recommend, but the higher rack, which is the truck seat elevate system, is really good. Or the truck seat tie downs will be terrific with this product. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And as we go here, this does have a 5-year manufacturer warranty. And if we install it like we did today, we double that warranty to 10. That's a great warranty. Also, we're going to go ahead and put a 1-year labor guarantee on this, which covers basically everything we have done. Now, there is a 400-pound weight capacity on this, which is really good. It's pretty much the top of the line there for a cover. 400 pounds is a lot. Now, this cover does have a driver's side and passenger side release mechanism. Why is that good? Well, if you're on the highway and you pull off this side of the road, you have all the traffic on this side, you might want to walk around the other side where it is safer. Now, if you look over here, you'll see the big seal here. This is going to kiss up right to this tailgate, and this is going to sit on top of the tailgate. And this does a really good job of keeping the water out. Now, speaking of water, everyone thinks that they buy a cover, they're buying a submarine, and every drop of water is not getting in there. These are water resistant, they are weather resistant, they're not watertight. So keep that in mind. Now, this one here is a metal cover with a TPO vinyl UV protected top. You can see the metal here. Now, they do put this little rubber piece here, and that is for your hands. So this way, if it gets a little hot, it's not too bad there. So by the way, just put these on. Sometimes it is a little hot, takes a little time for the little bumpers to get on there. But I'll put that back on there in a minute. Now, if you look, one thing you'll notice is, let me go grab some real quick. All right. This AT4 is too tall for me to reach it. Now, if you notice, it doesn't block your rear window over here, so you can when it's open, and you can still see out here, and it doesn't block anything, and you have pretty much full access to the bed. So if you want to put something big in here, you can do it, no problem. You don't lose any space in the bed. Now, this thing does have a really cool locking mechanism. Now, when this thing's rolled down, when you close this up, this whole entire thing will lock. I don't know if you can see here. Let me go ahead and roll it down a little bit so you can get a better look here. So when these come down, it's going to lock the entire channel here. And I'm sure they got a patent on that because I haven't seen anyone else doing this. So when these are both down, they lock the entire thing here. So it's going to make it more secure. That's one of the reasons it holds 400 pounds is probably because it locks in place. Really great setup. Now, when you go to close this, you do want to push on both sides here. No problem here. Oh, by the way, this does have that little storage here, and this does not interfere with that. They all work really good together. Now, if you like this product, you can come here, let us put it on for you like we did today, or we can ship it. That's right. We have 30+ warehouses throughout the entire country, and wherever you live, we have a warehouse probably close to you. And we are actually using our trucks now at some of from our warehouses, so we're not using UPS or FedEx on some of our deliveries. So that's really cool. So we can get these things to you very quickly. Again, you can come here and get it, or if you live in California, Texas, Hawaii, Alaska, even Puerto Rico, we can get it to you there as well. So we got pretty much the whole continental USA covered plus some. And if you buy it from us, and we can walk you through any questions you might have on the installation, which is real important. Sometimes you get these things and the direction is not real clear, and you're like, well, I'm not sure what they're talking about, and you call up Real Truck and they don't get back to you right away. If you buy it from us, we will help you through with any questions you have. Of course, the prices are the same. We are a Real Truck dealer, so whatever the prices they have, same price we have. So there's no advantage by buying from anyone else. The advantage of buying from us is you get us, which is really good. Again, I like this cover. I think it looks good, low profile. Even with the T-slots, it's very low profile. Super clean look. The most important thing, it's going to do a great job of securing your valuables in here. If you go on a trip, you put your luggage in there, you got it all covered. Again, I like Bak products. I've been selling it for probably about 20 years now, and I just think they make a fine product, and this is one of their latest and greatest products. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories. Don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe, and don't forget, we can ship this to you. Thank you.